started to look a lot older than their actual age.
What ages you faster than time is stress. How will you delete stress from your life? You can't. Tell you if you want to stay young forever, please continue strength training.
A major part of adulting is also realizing that what your body deserves is actually rest, and it comes in the form of sleep.
Correct.
And another way in which it comes in form of is protein.
Protein is what is making you how you are looking right now. So अगर आपको presentable दिखना है, if you want to look good, if you want to look handsome, you want to look sexy, make sure you're please eating more protein.
What are certain supplements that actually are helpful for people?
Number one will be a protein supplement.
Got it.
Second will be creatine. Third will be fish oils. Few supplements which will harm you, fat burners.
Okay.
Any supplement which will tell you कि ये supplement खाने से आपका 2 किलो 3 किलो कम होगा. Stop having that from today.
What does living a beast life truly mean for you?
Put the phone aside, take the step what you need to take for yourself, for your future, for the ones who love you, who you love, and take action. That will make you an ultimate beast.
What's one discipline habit that changed your life?
I didn't decide what I need to do the next day depending on my mood.
A lot of people complain about how they're lean in general, but they have a little tummy, they have a little paunch.
This is mostly with men. आप कितना भी lean दिखो, कुछ भी दिखो और ये पेट बाहर है, मतलब आपके पास visceral fat है. Many think that मुझे ना, अगर मैं अभी से जिम चालू करूँगा, मुझे 6 दिन जाना है, एक दिन रेस्ट लेना है, तभी जाके मेरा बॉडी बनेगा. नहीं. If you already put in 6 days ना, मैं बोलूँ 80% of time 6 days नहीं होता. You should already keep in mind कि मैं 2 से 3 दिन भी हफ्ते जा सकता हूँ ना. I will build a good healthy body.
Hi Puneet, welcome to Men's XP.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good. आप कैसे हो?
I'm good.
आज जिम गए?
जिम गया, आधा घंटा जल्दी करके आ गया.
वैसे if I have to ask you, what's a day in your life like? वैसे तो you know put a lot of it on Instagram and we know by and large how it is, but फिर भी.
Should I say it quick or everything what I do in a day?
Give us an overview.
All right. So I start my day kissing my Coco. She's my poodle. Kissing my daughter, my wife. And I have my breakfast. I head to my gym. I have my own studio, Wolf. I go there. I meet everyone. I see how the coaching is going. From there, I head to Evolvex office. I have my own fitness app. I go there and then I have my lunch. Then I come back to home to have lunch with my family. Then I head back to Wolf again in the evening just to see how everything is going. I coach few people. I cannot live without coaching. I need to see some people. I need to train people in front of my eyes. I do that. Then I come back home, always coming home to eat with my family. Then I have the dinner. Then I sleep. Simple routine.
Wow. And you know, to think that you did not start your journey in fitness, you started your journey in hospitality. And from that,
Yes.
you've somehow meandered and you have this life and you have this routine and this lifestyle. It's almost, you know, unbelievable.
Yes.
Is it
now if
believable
I
for you?
look back, the day I decided to quit what I did and the day where I'm sitting right now, I would say it's unbelievable. It goosebumps.
Yeah.
What I think about what I was when I did quit, the decision I made, and where I'm sitting right now. I never thought this would happen.
क्या मोमेंट थी वो लाइक वो इमोशन क्या था विच इवेंचुअली ड्रोव यू टू बी लाइक कि बस मुझे ये नहीं करना और मेरे को ये करना है.
It was the exact moment where, you know, I used to love my job. I used to love what I used to do. I used to love being a hotelier. I didn't want to leave that job. But, you know, every time when I came to work, when I came with my uniform, people around me used to get inspired by how I look, how the clothes fit, how presentable I am every time I step in, how my personality is when I walk in and greet people, how people tend to talk with me more, how my physique looks like, because I used to work out along with my job a lot. Somewhere it inspired people around me, my colleagues, my boss, my girlfriend, who is now my wife, to start working out and start training. And somewhere there was a deep voice inside me which told me, Puneet, this is something which you are feeling good once you come back home, that people are doing something, people are started to take care of your health because of you. So is it a small calling? You know, see, calling always comes like a whisper. It doesn't come like your intention, what you want, your purpose in life will never shout at you. It always whisper at you. You have to just understand and like take the right decision and then take step, then the next step, then I'm here.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was the calling. Just the feeling of people getting inspired by me.
That is such a real thing to say because मैं इतने सारे लोगों को जानती हूँ. मतलब I consider myself a lucky person because मुझे बचपन से ही शायद पता था कि मेरे को लाइफ में क्या करना है. And मेरे को
Wow.
बचपन से पता था that I want to be a writer. And I have been a writer. Of course, now I'm, like doing a podcast and on video and
Yes.
everything. But मतलब दिल से I'm still a writer. I'll always be a writer. But I know so many of my friends who, they're my age right now and they still haven't experienced कि यार वो calling क्या होती है. We just don't know. It's almost like throwing spaghetti on the wall and we're doing things. कभी business try कर लिया, कभी service try कर ली, कभी कुछ और try कर लिया. But वो ना अंदर से एक जो चीज़ आती है कि हाँ इसमें मन जा रहा है या फिर इसकी तरफ तुम व्योर हो रहे हो, वो बहुत कम लोगों को आती है. But
I would say, what exactly is that? When I used to go to sleep, I used to, मुझे नींद क्या देता था, लाइक मेरा नेक्स्ट जो वर्कआउट डिज़ाइन करूँगा मैं इसके लिए, हाउ विल आई डिज़ाइन द नेक्स्ट वर्कआउट, और वो मैं सोच के सोता था और उससे मुझे नींद आता था. लाइक आई डिज़ाइन द वर्कआउट्स एट माई स्लीप, और मुझे उससे अच्छा नींद आता था. एंड आई यूज्ड टू गेट एक्साइटेड फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे टू कम टू वेक अप एंड रश एंड मेक श्योर दे डू दैट वर्कआउट. I think so that was the calling.
Yes.
That is something which makes you excited the next day to go and do something
Yeah.
which gives you money,
yeah.
which of course which will help you in the future, which excites you a lot every single day. I don't know if it's a Sunday or Saturday. Every day is exciting for me. Maybe that is something, if people know, understand what is that, that can be the place that keep on working on.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's a great way to sort of start identifying, what is it that makes you look forward to
Yes.
doing it more and more. And, actually, you're one of very few creators out there who I personally really respect. And for the simple reason that unlike so many people, I don't think you're curated at all. I think that you don't chase after putting a perfect life out there.
Yeah, right.
I feel like आजकल के ज़माने में जहाँ पे Instagram पे everybody wants to put their best foot forward because किसको पसंद है अपना डाउनफॉल शोकेस करना या ब्लॉग करना, या किसको पसंद है कि मोमेंट्स वेयर एवरीथिंग लाइक व्हेन शिट हैज हिट द फैन, नोबडी वांट्स टू डॉक्यूमेंट दैट. येट समहाउ you've managed to be a very real sort of a person, showing very real aspects of his life, making fitness or making this seem almost achievable.
Correct.
But I'm sure there's a side to you which you also don't put out. And I'd love to talk to you about that side of you.
The side which people don't see,
Yes.
the side which I mostly hide. See, no one's life is perfect. You should know that. No one's life is perfect. What we think is people love to see perfect. What we think is, if I post this photo right now, everything should look good. And then people will like it and people will love it.
Yeah.
At the end, the one who is also looking at the phone and then liking your picture and commenting on it, everyone's life is messed up. They don't know. Many are not knowing what they're doing, what their next step will be, what tomorrow will be like. Everyone has some or the other problem in their life. This is what I wanted to always show to the people. Like, I'm also like you. I am not another perfect husband. I'm not a perfect person, not a perfect father. Everything that I do behind the scenes is actually, I would say, if you want to live my life right now, it is tough. It is a lot of, sitting alone
Okay.
and thinking how tomorrow will be like, how our next month will be like. Let me tell you something. If someone is working or in a job or achieve something, a promotion maybe, would you want to go down, or maybe the lower level job which you were doing? You never want to do that. You always want to go higher.
Yes.
So it's same with anyone who is starting their own thing, a business also. When you start something, you always aim to go higher. And the thing about business and being an entrepreneur is there can be downfall anytime.
Yeah.
You don't know what your next step is like. You don't know what your next month is like.
Yeah.
If you're in office, yes, of course, things are going well. You're going to get salary at the end of the month. Everything's going great, but we have to look out for many other things.
Yeah.
If things are not going right now, I cannot come back home and talk to my wife and talk to my child and tell everything's messed up. I don't know how our next month will be like. I don't know. I know it's good to open up and talk about this, but somewhere I always tend to think in a way where I don't talk about this much. My only goal is wake up the next day, Puneet, do what you're meant to do, just put in action. You are the best. You are the best in what you did. You have done a lot. till this point. Just remember, know one thing: you have to show up with a smile at your face, smile on your face. You have to show up with the same energy, because if your energy is down, your team's energy is down. If you are demotivated, your team is demotivated. If you don't know, if you're clueless how your next month is like, your team is going to get shattered. So what do? You put a smile on the face, you show the people it's going amazing. This is how life should be lived. All right, but deep down, you work, you work hard every single day. You overthink everything every single day. But you should have a small delusion inside you, saying to yourself like, you're gonna be the best coach alive in this planet. You're gonna be the best entrepreneur alive on this planet. You're gonna be the best. You're gonna design the best fitness app on this planet. You're gonna have the best gym. This is what I keep on saying this to myself, and somehow things always have worked, and things always will work for me. So yes, things are always imperfect. Every single day I wake up, it's all about how I think, how I put my mind set first, and then how my body reacts to it.
Right. अच्छा, एक चीज़ पूछूं. How much of this pressure that you take to keep it together all the time, how much of it is a factor of you being a founder and you being in a position where you have to take care of so many people in a business, and how much of it is a factor of you being a man?
Good question. I would say when it comes to being a man, I am the most vulnerable. When it comes to being a man, I'm soft and strong at the same time, knowing where to be what. But when it comes to being a founder, you have to have a clear tunnel vision. All right. So I would not say being a man or a woman will make you, very much focused and hide your
No,
emotions.
absolutely,
a lot.
but
Correct?
so I know so many men who are conditioned to suppress their feelings because उनका maybe society ने किसी ना किसी way में उन्हें shape किया होता है कि यार no matter what you have to get it done, you have to
Right.
get it right, you can't make mistakes because people will judge you for those
Correct.
mistakes, and that pressure, I mean, of course we live in a very evolved society now, but sometimes unlearning can take time.
See, I'll tell you one thing. I always keep it very simple for me. So for me, it's not about being a founder and how my employees. For me, it's about when I go back home now, my wife should feel safe. My wife should not feel scared how our life is going to be like. I want my daughter to know that everything that I've planned for her is going to be the best. She should not look back, because I know how I've lived. I know how I've brought myself up. So when I go back home, I know there are two pretty girls out there who lean their shoulders on me, and they should have the strongest and the most stable shoulder to lean on, because they design my life, they structure my life, they manage everything what I do. What I do is, I would not see the big part. What they do for me when I am not there, because I am doing what I'm doing because they are doing what they are doing. If they would not be doing what they are doing, like my wife, my daughter, I would not be able to do anything. I would not be able to sit here in front of you with this much confidence. All right, I'm sitting here because I know everything is being managed at home right now. So yes, I always want to work hard because I want to go back home, and my wife should know that it's only going to get better. My husband, who I chose for myself, for us, is only going to lead us a happy life. That makes me work hard. That's my inspiration. That will make me just make everyone around me lead a better life.
Definitely, your wife will love watching this podcast for sure. ये special clip उनके लिए काट के आप उनको
I
दिखाना.
actually talk everything about this to her. Like
Yeah?
what I spoke to you,
Yeah.
I never hide anything with her. I speak my heart out to her.
I think that's
Whether
very
it's anything.
important. You know, वो एक इंसान हमेशा लाइफ में होना चाहिए जिनके साथ आप दिल खोल के अपने सारे fears, happiness, sadness, insecurity सब share कर.
But one thing, if she's watching right now, I never share how hardships is what we are facing when it comes to being a founder, being an entrepreneur, how the finance is going to be like, is it stable, is it not. She don't need to know anything. She just need to know that it's going to be a good day. The next day wake up in the morning, it's going to be the best day for her. That is something which I know that she should not know, according to me.
That's very sweet. I think it comes from a very pure place.
Yes.
अच्छा, एक चीज़ बताओ. How has becoming a father changed your view on, or altered your view on fitness?
Being a father after Kiara was born.
Yes.
How I have changed my perspective towards fitness,
Yes.
right?
Fitness, health, everything.
So when I started working out, now I loved how my body looked. I loved how ripped it looked. It's still good. I loved the aesthetics of it, of course, because that attracted people somehow. No matter how much you deny it, somehow right now it's still trending. It'll attract many people. When you come with a good build and a good physique, and you walk in a room, people
बहुत
will look
impact
at you.
होता है, हाँ.
Yeah, you will turn heads. Somehow that also kept me moving. But after Kiara was born, I became a more accountable man, a more accountable husband. I became a person who will never say no to anything. I will just keep on doing the work for me. And it made me realize, Puneet, for all this to happen, you just need to have good focus, good energy, good strength. My family, my daughter don't deserve a father and a husband ill. They don't deserve a weak husband. They don't deserve a husband who is sitting with a big belly, not caring about their body at all. They don't deserve a man at their home who's dependent on medicines. All right? They want a husband who knows how to take care of himself first, which will in turn make him more disciplined to take care of his family also. So yes, that is what I am right now.
I think कि ये reason कितना अच्छा reason है to want to focus on your health and to want to be better and look better as opposed to just doing it because it's trending on Instagram or because there's a song that you want to make a reel on and everything. Because
I still do that, don't say it. I still
and
do
no,
few
it's
things.
absolutely fine if you do that, but that can't be your sole purpose in life,
Correct,
right?
correct.
I mean,
It is not.
Entertainment has its
I have to
own
stay
value.
relatable.
हाँ.
So yeah, I have to do things.
Exactly, and that's fine because fun भी होना चाहिए. मतलब इतना मेहनत है in your business, in your line of work, there is hardcore strength. वो जो कहते हैं खून पसीना, literal खून पसीना लगता है उस पे. तो उसके बीच में if you find ways to entertain yourself, entertain people, and just make it all the more fun, absolutely good. But if you're doing it just for that, I know so many people, trust me, so many people, sort of friends, who go to the gym not because they want to be ripped or they want to be healthy. They go to the gym because the gym is aesthetic, because the
Gym looks
selfie
good.
in that gym and in that like environment will be cool. And because whenever they sit and everybody's talking about counting their macros and calories and everything, they can also sort of do something. तो
Yes.
बहुत सारे लोग इन reasons की वजह से fitness में अंदर enter कर रहे हैं.
Yes, you're right, because I would not say it's wrong. I would say for some people that makes them consistent. If it's a good gym, good looking gym, I'll go there, click a selfie and post it. It'll just make them going there every single time. Maybe it's good. और आजकल gym में भी बहुत connections बन रहे हैं, है ना? So that's also good. I just hope कि they are not just going there to just click photos. नहीं तो body नहीं बनेगा, बस phone album का photos बढ़ता रहेगा.
हाँ, exactly. फिर आप सिर्फ Snapchat पे consistent हो पाओगे on a streak and not in life in real.
Correct.
But like for example, when I think about fitness these days or whenever, I just feel कि when you think of fitness, you draw, or an average person draws a lot from social media, and they draw a lot from pop culture, right?
What do you mean by pop culture?
Pop culture means movies.
अच्छा,
Bollywood से Bollywood में जिसको देखते हैं जब रणबीर
हाँ,
कपूर
ठीक है,
एनिमल
got
में
it.
रिप्ड होके स्क्रीन पे आता है या बॉबी देओल आता है तो फिर for a lot of us, idea of fitness is drawn from those moments in
Yes.
Bollywood movies, in Hollywood movies, from WWE, from social
Yes,
media,
yes,
right? And one word that has almost become synonymous in this field of fitness is beast. You know how they say beast mode on.
Please move on.
And in that respect, since you come from this line and you may be the right person to ask, what does living a beast life truly mean for you? Like in the true sense.
Living a beast life. I'll go back to how you started this question. You told that mostly it is derived by, celebrities, the pop culture and social. That is so true. I mean, सलमान खान को देख के ही लोग जिम जाते हैं,
Yes.
है ना? ऋतिक रोशन ने अपना बॉडी ट्रांसफॉर्म किया, मतलब so I can also do it. And somewhere I support that. I'm okay, stay there, that's good. But of course you cannot follow exactly everything that they're doing, because they have 10 people behind them to take care of every single thing and give every single thing what they have achieved till now. But when it comes to you, you're alone. All right, you have 10 more things to take care of, not just the gym.
Yeah.
You know, you have to take care of your diet, your nutrition, then क्या supplement लेना है, and then body कैसा बनेगा. Body बनता नहीं है इतना जल्दी. लोगों को लगता है gym जाके ही body बनेगा, but body तो actually बनता है when you eat right, when you sleep right, आपका lifestyle कैसा है, क्या आप drink smoke नहीं कर रहे हो, all that matters. So what makes you a beast is not the aggression. What makes you a beast is how much, I would say, accountable you are to every single step you have thought you would for yourself. And instantly take action towards it. Don't be that lazy person who will think I will do it tomorrow. I will do it day after. You know, sometimes we always think of doing something and we plan something, we do everything, but it's just planning.
Yeah.
It's just talking.
Just in the head.
It's just in the head. Sometimes they think, wait for the perfect time. Okay, this is the perfect time and day. Agar yahan tak, I will keep on planning and then we'll start. Talk to any business person, talk to any entrepreneur, an experienced entrepreneur. They were never ready when they started their business.
Yeah.
No one is ever ready when you start something by yourself. Even if it's your body. You will never in life be ready. वो perfect day or time नहीं आएगा. You think about it, you plan it. Next day, think about what's the smallest action I can take to do this and do that every single day. And once you're accountable to that, without distractions, now the world is distracted. Name
Yes.
anything. People out there are busy creating things, creating tech, creating everything to distract you. How can I make this person just sit here and not do anything, not move from this place? But convenience, right? आपको मैं कितना और convenient बना सकता हूँ आपका life ताकि उसका business चले और तुम इधर ही बैठे रहो. जितना आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं ना उतना डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने को लोग अभी भी बैठे बिजनेस उसमें ही बना रहे हैं.
True.
तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम खाली डिस्ट्रैक्ट कैसा हो सकते हैं. एक्चुअल लाइफ को आगे बढ़ने के लिए जो तकलीफ है वो नहीं लेना है. तो मैं आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट कैसा करूँ जल्दी से. हाउ आई कीप ऑन स्क्रोलिंग एंड जस्ट फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग. दैट इज व्हाट पीपल आर फोकसिंग ऑन. दैट विल नॉट मेक यू अ बीस्ट. व्हाट विल मेक यू अ बीस्ट? कीप द फोन असाइड, टेक द स्टेप व्हाट यू नीड टू टेक फॉर योरसेल्फ, फॉर योर फ्यूचर, फॉर द वंस हु लव यू, हु यू लव, एंड टेक एक्शन. दैट विल मेक यू an ultimate beast.
Wow, that's a very powerful answer. Spoken like a beast. Okay, so like taking from what you just said, let's assume ke an 18-year-old right now, okay, sitting in Delhi or sitting in Bombay, and he's right out of college and he wants to, he will be starting his professional life very soon, but he has the urge to also work on his body.
Yes.
What will be a simple, effective, doable, realistic roadmap for that 18-year-old or 20-year-old to begin his fitness journey?
Perfect.
In very simple terms.
I would give this person maybe 3 to 4 steps
Okay.
which will help them. First is understand and have the clarity of what you want to achieve. It can be a body goal. सोचो, ऋतिक रोशन सोचो, सलमान खान सोचो, जो भी आपने सोचा सोचो. Keep that in mind. And now you know what? Just be that person. That means लोग manifestation बोलते हैं आजकल ना.
हाँ.
Just be that person. What would that person be doing right now to achieve that body? Are you doing that thing right now? No, right? They have planned, they have scheduled few things. That means schedule that 1 hour for yourself, no matter how busy your life is. आपका चाहे जैसा ही मूड रहे, आपका चाहे जितना भी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस आए लाइफ में, दिस 1 hour is myself. अगर आप 1 घंटा बॉडी को दे सकते हो, सब कुछ छोड़ के लाइफ में, आप उसके बाद जो भी आप करोगे रेस्ट 23 hours इज गोना बी ऑल योर्स. यू गोना फील द बेस्ट. सो वो 1 घंटा अपने लिए निकालो, है ना. डेडिकेट, जो भी चाहे जो भी हो मेरे लाइफ में. दिस इज व्हाट पीपल आर डेडिकेट. पीपल डिसाइड एवरीथिंग व्हाट दे वांट टू डू इन लाइफ अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर मूड. अगर मूड को बाजू में रखे ना, मूड जैसा भी हो, दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव टू डू. आप सब कुछ कर लोगे लाइफ में. 1 is dedicate that 1 hour. Second, you don't need to go all in. You don't need to go 6 days a week, 7 days a week. You just need to go to build a healthy body 2 to 3 days a week.
Yeah.
Many think that मुझे ना, अगर मैं अभी से जिम चालू करूँगा, मुझे 6 दिन जाना है, 1 दिन रेस्ट लेना है, तभी जाके मेरा बॉडी बनेगा. नहीं, that's not how body is built. Body is built by actually just dedicating 2 to 3 weeks. Sorry, 2 to 3 days a week. Stay consistent to that. If you can stay consistent to that, you will see the results coming in. That will make you add more days automatically.
Yeah.
If you already put in 6 days ना, मैं बोलूँ 80% टाइम 6 days नहीं होता. फिर 6 का 5 होता है, 5 का 4 होता है. और आपको लग रहा है आपको जो अचीव करना है उसके लिए जो को डेडिकेशन देना है वो नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ मैं. डीमोटिवेट हो गए.
Right.
अभी हमको 4 दिन ही मिल रहा है, मतलब मेरे को जैसा बॉडी चाहिए वैसा नहीं बनेगा. एंड जो भी कर रहे हैं दे विल एट लास्ट स्टॉप डूइंग इट. यू शुड ऑलरेडी कीप इन माइंड कि मैं 2 से 3 दिन भी हफ्ते जा सकता हूँ ना. I will build a good healthy body. That's 3.
Right.
Keep little goals. Don't keep larger goals in life. Very small goals, very small steps, and keep on stepping that small step every single day.
Right.
Third, the most important, please don't stay distracted. आई विल से डिस्ट्रैक्शंस के कितने सारे आते हैं. स्मोकिंग एल्कोहल, हाई डिस्ट्रैक्शन, बोर हो गया, स्ट्रेस आ गया, लाइफ में पता नहीं अभी अभी नेक्स्ट मिनट क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट आवर क्या करना है, ऐसे ही बैठा हूँ, चल स्मोक कर लेते हैं, चल ड्रिंक कर लेते हैं. पूरा हफ्ता काम किया, वीकेंड आ गया, आई डिड द बेस्ट, चलो ड्रिंक कर लेते हैं. ट्राई. I always say try. I don't say quit. I don't know if I can say that anymore. Try your best to keep this away from you. Distraction है ये आपके लाइफ में. आपका मोबाइल फोन डिस्ट्रैक्शन है आपके लाइफ में. जो आप स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो ना एवरी सिंगल डे,
डूम स्क्रॉलिंग
खत्म. एल्गोरिथम ऐसा बिल्ड किया है ना, इट विल कीप यू देयर. आपको आइस को नीचे ही रखेगा अभी वो. अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन टू स्टॉप, कीप. जितना आप लेस डिस्ट्रैक्टेड रहोगे उतना आपके लिए अच्छा है. सो ट्राई टू स्टे लेस डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. दैट्स योर थर्ड.
राइट.
Fourth is please sleep on time. Sleep is what will give you energy for the next day. Sleep is what will make you eat and take right decisions to eat the next day.
Right.
Sleep will not make you energy deprived. Energy deprivation से भूख बहुत लगता है बैक टू बैक. स्ट्रेस रहता है, वर्कआउट नहीं जाओगे, कुछ नहीं करोगे, ऐसे ही बैठे रहोगे. चलो जो लाइफ मिल रहा है जैसा लाइफ लीड करना है थोड़ा बहुत कर लोगे. Sleep right to function everything in the right way. Last comes is hydrate. Please stay hydrated to keep your gut healthy. All right, so make sure you're strength training 2 to 3 times a week, you're hydrating right. Everything what I told is not rocket science. It's what a basic human can do with all the busy schedule that they have in their life.
Yes.
Okay, strength training, sleeping right, no distractions, no alcohol and no cigarette. Follow these 5 things. I'm telling you, you will be the most unbeatable person on this place.
Sometimes, you just don't want to believe कि it can be that simple. It almost feels like when will the other shoe drop? ऐसा क्या है ये जो अभी हमें नहीं बता रहा है? But honestly, that is all it takes.
Yes. अगर आप ये 5 चीज़ से कर सकते हो ना, ये 5 चीज़ से कुछ भी एक छोड़ो, everything will go off balance. ये 5 चीज़ बस follow करो. I'm telling you, every step, anything that you have thought you are doing for yourself, whether it's workout, body या life, सब कुछ sort हो जाएगा.
Right. And sleep ka to everybody's been talking about it. It is actually very crucial. It's crucial in keeping you sane. It's crucial because it helps you in recovery as well. And recently I was sitting with Jitendra Choksi, who's the founder of Fitter. And he told me the importance of sleep. Ki, eventually if you don't sleep enough, you end up having neurological diseases also. Correct. Because you invite such problems in your life.
Many diseases are invited due to less sleep.
Oh my God. Yeah, this is cue for all of us, including myself, that we really need to start putting in the hours.
See, you know what? I will say one thing. People right now are running. It's a race. You cannot step out of the race. You have to stay relatable. You have to keep that face there in front of them. You have to run. You have to sprint. Yeah, you have to be that beast. Yeah. What it needs to be that person. What gets compromised for doing all this is your health.
Yeah.
We drink a lot more coffee.
Yes.
Coffee is not bad. We drink a lot more coffee to stay active, to keep the energy out. We sleep less. We just go because हम लोगों को ना सब कुछ काम करने के बाद रात को थोड़ा टाइम मिलता है for yourself.
हाँ.
और वो रात को ना many people work, many people do and plan the next day.
Yes.
और वो प्लानिंग करने में बहुत कुछ हो जाता है और आपका स्लीप जब भी आँख आपको नहीं बोलेगा ना सोना है तब तक आप नहीं सोओगे. तब तक आप जलेगा नहीं ना, आँख बोल रहा है बस कर भाई नींद आ ही रहा है तेरे को, तब तक आप नहीं सोओगे. दिस इज वॉट आई वुड से आई वॉज दैट पर्सन. अभी भी 60-70% आर लीडिंग दिस लाइफ. Try to not do that.
Yeah, no, you're absolutely right. In fact, I read this report somewhere जहाँ पे एक term coin हुआ था जो Gen Z ने coin किया था. It's called revenge binge watching or something. ठीक है. And it meant कि पूरे दिन के बाद पूरे दिन ऑफिस चले गए, काम कर लिया, खाना बना लिया, खाना खा लिया, चलो वर्कआउट भी कर लिया, सब कर लिया. But end में when it's time for you to come to bed, you have spent no time with yourself. And उस moment में a lot of people do revenge binge watching.
Yes.
कि गुस्से में कि this is my time, मैं अपना me time निकालूंगा.
Yes.
So they sit and they binge watch and मतलब eventually it's counterproductive.
Yes.
But apparently it became an entire thing.
Because you feel that because वो क्या deserving factor जो होता है ना, I deserve this.
Yes.
ये वीकेंड को लोग पार्टी क्यों करते हैं, सैटरडे नाइट के रुकते क्यों है? बिकॉज दे थिंक
पूरा
दे
हफ्ता
डिजर्व
मैंने
इट.
इतना काम किया तो अब मैं करूंगा.
आई डिजर्व दैट पार्टी, आई डिजर्व दैट नाइट आउट, आई डिजर्व दैट सिटिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग विद माय फ्रेंड्स. वी थिंक इट्स समथिंग वी डिजर्व, बट एक्चुअली या योर बॉडी डोंट नो इट्स अ सैटरडे और संडे. योर बॉडी इज जस्ट रिएक्टिंग टू व्हाट यू गिव देम. विल जस्ट रिएक्ट, बट फॉर सम स्लो, फॉर सम जो अभी यंग है ना 18, 20, 22, तुमको अब समझ नहीं रहा है. मैंने बहुत किया है 18, 22 में, 24 तक भी मैंने बहुत कुछ किया है. अब जाके मेरा बॉडी मुझे बता रहा है कि यार वो सब नहीं करना चाहिए था. Nothing what you were thinking that it is because मैं लोगों को दिखा सकता हूँ कि यार मैंने पार्टी किया संडे को, यार मैंने पार्टी किया संडे को, मैं ये क्लब में गया था, लुक एट दिस चीयर्स हमने जो किया. हाँ, इट लुक्स लाइक यू आर लीडिंग अ गुड लाइफ फॉर अदर्स, बट इनसाइड योरसेल्फ एक बार पूछ लो कैसा फील हो रहा है.
लाइक शिट, अगले दिन वो हैंगओवर वाली फीलिंग फिर
आपने
रियलिटी
कितने बार
बन
अपने आप को
जाती है.
पूछा रहेगा कि संडे मॉर्निंग को उठ के ये जो मैंने किया ना सैटरडे नाइट को, आई विल नेवर डू इट अगेन. बहुत बार बोलते हैं अपने आप को,
बहुत बारी.
पर हम अगेन वापस आ ही जाते होते.
हाँ, बस आज के बाद नहीं पीऊंगा, आज के बाद नहीं पीऊंगा, एंड देन बैक अगेन एंड एवरीथिंग. बट नहीं, आई थिंक a major part of adulting is also realizing कि what your body deserves is actually rest and care and love, and it comes in the form of sleep.
Correct.
And another way in which it comes in form of is protein. Because there's an entire protein debate that is going on in the country, where a lot of people are suddenly becoming more and more aware about how important it is. But
Yes.
maybe as a subject matter expert, you can explain to us and the audience sitting here what exactly protein does to you, why is it important, and then we'll take it from there.
Okay. You're saying people are obsessed with protein, right?
Yes.
I would say let them be obsessed. It's good. Rather than being obsessed with only dal chawal, it's okay to be it's not okay to be obsessed with only supplements. It's not okay to be obsessed while thinking that मुझे खाली प्रोटीन खा के ही मेरा बॉडी बनेगा.
Right.
It's okay to be obsessed because यार तुम घर जाओगे ना, तुम्हारे अगर तुम नहीं खाना बना रहे हो, जो भी खाना बना रहा है आपके लिए, आप उन्होंने वो डिसाइड किया कितना चपाती बनेगा, उन्होंने वो घर में डिसाइड किया कितना राइस बनेगा, है ना, उन्होंने वो डिसाइड किया है 4 लोग के हिसाब से कितना सब्जी बनेगा. बट वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो होता है ना, उसमें कितना प्रोटीन घर में आया है, कितना ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन आप खा रहे हो, किसको नहीं पता.
नहीं पता.
किसको नहीं
इनफैक्ट इंडियन हाउस होल्ड्स में अभी तक हमारे पेरेंट्स तो यही कहते हैं कि यार हम तो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्दी खाना खाते हैं, बट उनकी हेल्दी खाने की डेफिनेशन होती है कि घर पे बनाए हुए पराठे, उस पे बटर लगा के, दाल चावल सब्जी रोटी, वट एवर इट इज़, राइट. सो बट honestly, when you grow up and when you start reading stuff, when you start consuming more information, then you realize कि इतने एक कटोरी दाल में कितना प्रोटीन है.
करेक्ट.
और वो आपकी बॉडी
दाल में कितना कार्ब्स है, पूछो मुझे कितना प्रोटीन.
और वो तो कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं करता ना, बट बिकॉज उसमें बहुत ऐसा टाइनी सा प्रोटीन है, और यही हम बचपन से सुनते बड़े हुए हैं. सो दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ हेल्दी डाइट इन इंडियन हाउस होल्ड्स. But what exactly needs to be the healthy diet? But before that, because you were on protein.
Okay, correct.
Yeah. So, what is this, fuss about protein? सबसे पहले तो इतना बड़ा बना कैसे?
Okay, इतना बड़ा बना इसलिए because same thing I'm saying same to आपके हर एक हाउस होल्ड में ना कार्ब्स का सब कुछ बहुत बन रहा है, प्रोटीन का सब कुछ नहीं बन रहा है. तो इसलिए प्रोटीन का मार्केट अभी $1 billion है, क्योंकि प्रोटीन अभी बाहर बन रहा है सप्लीमेंट के थ्रू ज़्यादा, और लोग खा रहे हैं. That's good, have it. It's a convenient source of having protein. मगर लोग सब कुछ भी प्लान करने में ना, ग्रोसरीज भी घर में प्लान करने में ये नहीं सोच रहे कि मुझे अभी पूरे हफ्ते में कितना प्रोटीन घर में मंगाना है. मुझे अब भी जाके स्विगी या जोमेटो में लोग मंगाते हैं, पता नहीं कहाँ मंगाते हैं, स्विगी इंस्टामार्ट में सब लोग मंगाते हैं. दे आर नॉट थिंकिंग कि मुझे कितना ग्राम्स का प्रोटीन और क्या एग्जैक्टली मंगाना है. पीपल डोंट नो अबाउट इट. दैट्स वाई दिस क्रेज ऑफ मोर प्रोटीन, है ना. इसलिए बाहर लोगों को समझ गया कंपनी का काम क्या है, गैप ढूंढो. गैप क्या है इंडियन हाउस होल्ड में, प्रोटीन नहीं बन रहा इतना घर में, तो हम प्रोटीन देंगे इनको. दैट्स वाई प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट्स आर बीइंग सोल्ड अ लॉट, एंड दैट्स वाई सप्लीमेंट्स के बारे में लोग इतना बात करते हैं. अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ, इफ़ यू आर वेजिटेरियन और नॉन वेजिटेरियन, सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोटीन से क्या होता है. आई विल टेल यू फर्स्टली क्या होगा. योर हेयर इज लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज यू आर ईटिंग प्रोटीन, बट कब तक यू डोंट नो, कब तक आपका हेयर आपके लिए आपको अच्छा दिखाएगा. If you want to stay healthy for a long duration, please continue eating protein. Your skin is glowing so much. Why? Because you eat sufficient protein. पर कब तक? कब तक आपको support करेगा? There will be a place, there will be a age. उसके बाद अगर आप उतना प्रोटीन नहीं खा रहे हो, your skin में दिखेगा. You will already look old. Your hair quality will go dull. The cells, the energy levels, what your body needs, everything will depreciate if you're not having enough protein. Right. All right? Even your nails, every single thing needs good protein. I'm not still talking about muscle. All right? Muscle की तरफ आऊँगा मैं. Now, if you want to stay full for a longer duration, not keep on munching and not keep on hogging on food all the time, not keep on thinking about what should I eat next, मुझे बहुत भूख लग रहा है, that means you're protein deficient.
Really?
Correct. If you're always hungry, if you don't know what to eat next, if you think that Again, if you're overweight also, agar मान लो if you spoke about men with belly fat,
Yeah.
because they are protein deficient, they are not having enough protein and not strength training, that's why the belly fat comes out, है ना, metabolism low है, ये सब के वजह से, ये सब के लिए आपको प्रोटीन ज़्यादा चाहिए. So that's why I always say when you see a meal plate, protein first, carbs with intention. Carbs जितना आपको energy चाहिए throughout the day. Protein is what is making you how you are looking right now. So अगर आपको presentable दिखना है, if you want to look good, if you want to look handsome, you want to look sexy, make sure you're please eating more protein.
Okay.
Now I'm coming to muscle.
Yeah.
All right, protein helps to build muscle. Scientific हमने ना ये हमने 5th और 6th में ही पढ़ा अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में. It is just उसका उतना ही रोल है, अच्छे से उसका रोल उतना ही यूज़ करो. ओवरबोर्ड मत जाओ प्रोटीन में कि कैन से लूज मोशन ही आ जाए. बोथ मेनी पीपल आर डूइंग दिस कि ओवरबोर्ड जा रहा है, गट खराब हो रहा है, दे डोंट नो हाउ देयर गट इज, दे डोंट नो how they are कैसा how motions are going, they don't know it, but they are just having more protein. है ना. So understand आपको कितना प्रोटीन चाहिए और gradually उसको बढ़ाओ, है ना. more with food से नहीं हो रहा है, convenient sources supplement. So that's how you will actually understand the importance of protein now. So protein का hype होना अच्छा है, but खाली उसको over hype करके उसको इतना मत खाओ कि आपका gut ही उसको संभाल ना पाए.
Right. अपनी बॉडी के हिसाब से, अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से और आपको क्या सूट करता है उसके हिसाब से मे बी वी शुड गो फॉर इट. And you know, like in fact anybody that I've spoken to who's a subject matter expert in the field, they've always said that listen, it's absolutely okay for you to have a healthy balance between, you know, natural sources of protein and then supplements on top of that, especially if you're also going to the gym. So you know, in that regard, if I have to ask you, what are certain supplements that actually are helpful for people, and what are certain supplements that probably are just fluff in the market and people can, you know, it's okay to let them go?
Okay.
For example, protein by and large, it's understandable if you take it in the right way, it's good to go.
Correct.
It's fine.
Correct. Top 3 for me will always be, I'll keep in hierarchy. The number 1 will be a protein supplement.
Got it.
Second will be creatine. Third will be fish oils.
Fish oil.
Fish oils, omega 3.
Right.
So these 3. So again, I will give you description again. Protein, of course, I told you the reason behind it. Building muscle, okay, keeping your metabolism good, keeping your energy levels high. It's for your body, skin, hair, everything. As you age, you need more protein. जो आप जैसा लोग age हो रहे हैं उतना कम खा रहे हैं protein. It's the opposite. You keep on eating more protein. Second comes is creatine for men, women both. I would highly recommend please start taking creatine because आपको खाने से इतना नहीं मिल रहा है. Your ATP, your energy levels, everything depends on it. So start taking a scoop. As you're looking at me, I know you're not taking creatine maybe.
Yes, but now I'm, you know, getting interested.
All right.
Huh?
Do you strength train?
Yeah, I do.
Do you you're overall active, right? You need a scoop of creatine.
Yes.
1 scoop of creatine every single day. It's completely okay to have.
Okay.
All right. Next comes is fish oils for less inflammation for your heart health. So these 3 should be there in everyone's supplement box if you want to have.
Right. Nice. Okay, and just
okay,
out
the fluff, the ones which you should not have at all, right?
Yes.
I have many on my list. Let me say a few supplements which will harm you, fat burners.
Okay.
Anything which will claim that this is going to burn your fat, this will suppress your hunger.
Maybe the GLP-1 drugs.
GLP-1 though. I'm against it. I'm completely against it. If you had asked to Jitendra also, he's completely against it.
Yes.
All right, but many are still taking it. I've seen many Indian celebrities, many social celebrities who are there on media. They are taking it. I would say it is not going to help you for long term. You will just be dependent on it. You'll just keep on taking more of it. At the end, your body don't know how to have a healthy lifestyle. It'll just keep on. You will just need another injection for it.
Yeah.
All right.
Fair.
Yes, I told fat burning supplements and any supplement which will tell you कि ये supplement खाने से आपका 2 किलो 3 किलो कम होगा. Any supplement who is selling you something while claiming this is useless. Stop having that from today.
I think agar collectively as a society if we just start questioning, you know, like the reality and the logic behind things, then we'll be in a much sane sort of an environment where we can take more informed decisions.
Correct. थोड़ा सा साइंस का नॉलेज आ जाएगा, थोड़ा सा बॉडी कैसा एक्चुअली फंक्शन करता है नॉलेज आ जाएगा ना, people will not get attracted to these marketing gimmicks.
Yeah, no, you're absolutely right, because for a lot of us, so we're driven into, you know, new trends and new facets only through social media. For example, there's this very interesting debate online, and आपने भी अभी कुछ इस बारे में mention किया था कि, you know, there's an entire interesting debate on the internet where people are saying that men have started to look a lot older than their actual age.
Yes.
You know, like if you actually take a look around, there used to be a time where, you know, those compliments would run that, you know, you don't look your age. And now the opposite of that has started happening. That you look at a guy and you're probably wondering, maybe he's like whatever, late 30s or early 40s, but the guy is just 29.
Yes, correct.
So, like, do you also observe something like this happening around you? What do you think would be a prime reason for this?
I have observed in many who are strictly not taking care of their health. Okay, now I'll tell you one more thing. Apart from health also, what ages you faster than time is stress. How will you delete stress from your life?
Yeah.
You can't. Stress is there in everything. You wake up the next day, you don't know what, maybe अभी next interview कैसा लेना है, क्या रहेगा, क्या plan है कि नहीं है, stress, है ना? How do you manage stress is important, but stress है. People don't know how to manage it. People just keep on showing up the next day, every single day. If it comes to men have to show up no matter what, है ना? आपको आपके घर से बाहर निकलना है ना? आपको पैसा कमाना है, no matter what. You don't know how your life is going to be like then in the future. तो अगर नहीं हो रहा तो क्या होएगा? स्ट्रेस. अगर हम तरक्की नहीं कर रहे तो क्या होगा? स्ट्रेस. अगर हमको प्रमोशन नहीं मिल रहा है नेक्स्ट डे, है ना, पैसा कमा रहा है घर में, तो क्या होगा? स्ट्रेस. अगर हमको एक बॉडी बनाना है, वो बॉडी कैसा बनेगा, कभी बनेगा भी नहीं बनेगा? स्ट्रेस. शादी हो रहा है, नहीं होने वाला है, क्या प्लान है? स्ट्रेस. स्ट्रेस तो लाइफ में आने ही वाला है, चाहे तुम जितना भी उससे भागने का ट्राई करो, कभी नहीं भाग सकते हो. दैट्स ट्रू. बट हाउ टू मैनेज इट एंड व्हाई पीपल आर लुकिंग ओल्डर than their age? First is, as I told, stress. Second is they are not strength training enough. For me, I will tell you, if you want to stay young forever, please continue strength training. I think so. I will look in my 20s forever. All right. Next comes is sleep. Less sleep is making them look older than their age. And last comes is, I would say, less protein. These four are the most important factors. If you keep this right, I'm telling you, you're going to stay young from here and body all together.
And कितनी doable चीजें हैं, मतलब all of these things seem like
everything
yes,
is
you can
actually
fix
very
it.
simple. Nothing is rocket science. वो क्या है ना, हमको लोगों ने कुछ बेच के कुछ दिखा के एक एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट जो किया है, वो एक्सपेक्टेशन रीच करने को क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा लाइफ में अभी, तो फिर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज़ें लोगों को पसंद है.
हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग तो इसलिए भी डर जाते हैं. एंड पॉडकास्ट शुरू करने से पहले भी when I was discussing about this, that health sometimes can be very overwhelming. क्योंकि आप एक बार इस फील्ड में घुस गए या फिर इस अरीना से मैं घुस गए कि अब मेरे को शौक आ रहा है पढ़ने का, जानने का, तो suddenly you're flooded with so many revelations, so much information and so many things that you can try, that you feel like कि इतनी सारी चीज़ें, मतलब इतने ऑप्शंस देख के you suddenly like I don't want to take any option.
Correct.
It's like वही वाली चीज़ जो आजकल डेट पे टिंडर पे होती है कि इतने सारे ऑप्शन देख के मेरे को लेफ्ट राइट कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, किसी के साथ कोई रिलेशनशिप पे नहीं आ रहा.
तो निकल ही गया लोगों का, लगता है वो स्वाइप कर करके,
क्योंकि मतलब फटीग अलग हो रहा है. एंड ये चीज़ पहले लोगों ने जोमेटो स्विगी पे भी एक्सपीरियंस करी थी कि भूख लग रही है, यू टेक योर फोन आउट एंड यू स्टार्ट सीइंग द ऑप्शंस एंड यू स्पेंट 40 मिनट्स जस्ट लुकिंग एट ऑप्शंस एंड इन द 45th मिनट यू फील लाइक चल भूख ही मर गई मेरी, इतने सारे वो देख के. So with health also, I just feel like there's a lot of people get overwhelmed with what to do, how to do. More so when they say people like Hrithik Roshan, looking like he does.
Yes.
And they just feel like यार ये इंसान, इसका तो प्रोफेशन है, ये दिन के पता नहीं 6 घंटे लगाता होगा जिम में, बेस्ट डाइट लेता होगा, बेस्ट सप्लीमेंट्स लेता होगा, पता नहीं बाहर का पानी पीता होगा, सो क्लियरली वो ऐसा दिखता है. मैं तो ऐसा कभी लग ही नहीं सकता. एंड मे बी दे गिव अप बिफोर दे इवन स्टार्ट.
Correct.
How to tackle that mindset?
Talking about Hrithik Roshan, I had recently posted a picture of mine exactly like him. How he had posted, जब उसने एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया था उसके मूवी के लिए, धूम के लिए एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया था. It's still viral. People still look at that video. How he was, how उसका mindset था while training, and he achieved that in like a year or so. But I was a kid at that time. I would say, okay, now kid matlab 10 years before. Right? So I saw that and it became a very big inspiration for me.
Yeah.
It made me go step in the gym every single day. Okay, keep on doing it. You're going to look like him. Aaj, I think so, it's just been a month, I posted a picture. I will share with you. You can share with them. I posted exactly the same post that he did after transformation. I'm looking amazing. I'm looking somewhere same to how his upper body is looking like.
Wow.
But I also flexed my back, but my back was not looking like him. It was not that shredded. So I got a comment saying, हाँ सब कुछ ठीक है पर तेरा back को और build करना चाहिए तेरे को. People will comment and like keep comment and go like, now what happens is, see, now I will not get affected. है ना, like, but anyone who will keep on, when you hear something about your body, है ना, बिकॉज आई हैव स्पेंड सो मेनी ईयर्स, आई नो कि मैं कितना भी ट्राई करूँ मैं उसके साथ दिखूंगा ही नहीं.
हाँ.
मैं कितना भी ट्राई करूँ उतना ह्यूज आर्म्स, मेरा जेनेटिक मुझे वो उतना रीच करने ही नहीं देगा मेरा बॉडी, अनलेस आई एम टेकिंग एन एक्सटर्नल सप्लीमेंट और एक्सटर्नल इंजेक्शन. आई हैव एक्सेप्टेड दैट एंड आई नो अबाउट इट टिल आई डोंट पुट एन एक्स्ट्रा टेस्टोस्टेरोन इन मी कि मैं उतना बड़ा दिखने नहीं वाला हूँ. बट नाउ अ कॉमन मैन हु इज जस्ट स्टेपिंग इनटू फिटनेस, दे डोंट नो, दे जस्ट वांट टू रीच देयर, है ना. तो दे थिंक दैट मुझे ये करना है, जो उसने किया तभी जाके मैं ऐसा बनूंगा. और वो एक्सपेक्टेशन इतना हाई सेट कर दिया है दैट दे विल कीप ऑन डूइंग, दे विल कीप ऑन स्लॉगिंग, कीप ऑन वेयरिंग एंड टेयरिंग द बॉडी. बॉडी स्ट्रेस में बैठा रहेगा और बॉडी वैसा बनेगा ही नहीं. तो दे थिंक दैट मुझे कुछ भी करना जरूरत ही नहीं है. बट एक्चुअली तुमको वर्कआउट करना है ताकि तुम सुबह जब उठो ना तुम फ्रेश उठो, तुम एक एनर्जी के साथ उठो, एक होप के साथ उठो, है ना, एक स्ट्रेंथ के साथ उठो, एक कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ उठो. दैट इज़ वाई यू नीड टू वर्कआउट. एक ऐसा गोल रखो दैट विल मेक यू वेक अप द नेक्स्ट डे नो मैटर वॉट. आई ऑलवेज टेल कि एक अपीयरेंस गोल को ना साइड में रख दो. नाउ आस्क योरसेल्फ व्हाई यू वांट टू वर्कआउट. वर्कआउट मुझे ऐसा बताओ कि अगर चलो आई विल आस्क यू, यू आर नॉट गोना अचीव एनीथिंग इन द बॉडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2 years. आपको मगर 2 साल तक वर्कआउट करते रहना है. यू विल बी लुकिंग द सेम हाउ यू लुकिंग राइट नाउ. बी ऑनेस्ट विद मी, विल यू वर्कआउट?
Yes.
Good. That means you know why you're working out. You know the deep reason behind why you're working out. It's not the aesthetic. उसको बाजू में रखो and keep on moving.
Yeah.
Now वो जो aesthetic है ना वो झक मार के आपके सामने आएगा ही.
As a byproduct.
It will just come to you. So just keep on getting better. आपके काम में भी you will not just keep on staying where you are, right? You keep on showing up. You will make mistakes.
Yes.
You will keep on doing it. You will add more team. You will make things more smoother for you.
Yeah.
You will keep on working on it again and again. You will know how to keep things simple in the end.
Yeah.
How to keep things functioning the right way. That will help you to get better. So exactly comes to your body. You will keep on doing again and keep on making mistakes. Keep on showing up again and again. Exactly आपको जो end result है वो झक मार के आपके पास आएगा ही. But आपको बस रुकना नहीं है.
Yeah.
रुकोगे सब कुछ बंद हो जाएगा. डिफिकल्ट होने ही वाला रास्ता. रुकना ऑप्शन कभी नहीं होना चाहिए.
What's one, discipline habit that changed your life?
Discipline habit that changed
Because
my
a lot
life.
of what you just said boils down to discipline and
Correct.
consistency.
Correct.
है ना, कि कोई बात नहीं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It's like एक पानी का घड़ा है, उसमें डालते रहो डालते
Yes.
रहो डालते रहो. कुआं है, कभी ना कभी तो तुम्हें उसका पूरा फुल फोर्स दिख जाएगा, उसका इफेक्ट दिख जाएगा.
The ultimate discipline habit, I would say, what changed who I am right now is I didn't decide what I need to do the next day depending on my mood.
Oh wow.
That's the biggest discipline habit I have achieved till now. I still follow this every single day because आपको पता है आपको एक मोटिवेशन पीरियड आता है, एक इंस्पिरेशनल पीरियड आता है. वो खाली 20% रहता है. 80% is a time when you're bored,
Yeah.
when you're not motivated, when you're not inspired.
Then you're like, I don't feel like it.
Correct.
तब
When you don't
कैसे
feel like
जाए
it,
when
there
you
are a
don't
lot
feel
more
like
things
it?
going in their life,
Yeah.
lot more stress in their life, है ना, और बहुत कुछ करना है लाइफ में. वो 80% आपका लाइफ होने वाला है.
Yeah.
You know what I did? I trained myself for that 80%. जब मैं motivated और inspiration है ना, I'm not excited to work out.
Yeah.
जब when I'm waiting for the day, पुनीत तू कब bored होने वाला है? When is that day कि तुझे आज mood नहीं है यार, everything is कुछ भी balance नहीं चल रहा लाइफ में. Should I work out? I'm waiting for that day and I show up on that day. And I know the days I showed up, those days has built my discipline. Not the days when I was motivated or inspirational
Yeah.
at all.
Fair
The days
enough.
when I didn't want to, when I showed up, that is what made me who I am right now.
वही वाली बात है कि अच्छे दिन पे तो हर कोई on a good day you can muster up all the courage in the world and show up. It's whether or not you do it on the bad days.
Correct. मैंने ये बहुत सारे मुझे पता नहीं एज अ कोच मुझे बोलना चाहिए कि नहीं. मैं वर्कआउट्स के बीच में भी लोगों को बोलता था. जब मैंने एक नया प्रोग्राम चालू किया ना मेरे ऐप में, everyone excited to join in. I keep on telling them, it's okay, stay excited. I want to see you if you actually show up the second week. Stay there. It's okay to be excited. I want to see you the same face. Can you come and work out the next day in the third week?
Yeah.
That is the point when I will know you are actually want to take care of your body.
Absolutely. वैसे आप कभी जिम में लोगों को जज करते हो? जैसे
Judge.
हम तो बहुत करते हैं.
It is a human tendency, no?
है ना?
थोड़ा बहुत
So
कर लेते हैं, but
what type of people, because there are categories of people who come to the gym ना.
हाँ.
One are your whatever buff dudes and bros के एकदम proper आते ही t-shirt उतार के they do flex and everything.
correct,
Some are there for the aesthetics and for the clothes, right? And some are there to make noises.
yes, one more rep. हाँ वो है.
So who do you judge the hardest?
Okay. Firstly, if you want to know about me, I'm the last person to judge anyone on the earth for anything.
Yeah.
Because I will tell you why. Because I have done everything in my life. मैंने हर एक stupid mistake किया है, हर एक bad habits आप बोलो मैंने सब कुछ किया है. So I know why they are doing what they are doing. Now coming to when I judge, I still judge. You know, when I will judge, if I want to see the behavior of the person who is working out in the gym in between the sets.
Ooh.
How is their behavior in between the sets? How do they handle equipment? How do they handle a dumbbell? Do they actually re-rack? Do they actually throw it everywhere? Do they actually, because you know, in a gym also, even if it's not a group workout, it's called teamwork. है ना, कभी कभी मालूम है कोई लोग आके एक बेंच लेके बैठ जाते हैं.
हाँ.
अब मैं इधर ही करूंगा, मैं नहीं, अभी मैं नहीं हिलने वाला हूँ.
हाँ.
चाहे जो हो जाए. इधर क्यों बैठा, मैं इधर का वर्कआउट कर रहा था ना अभी, इधर क्यों आया तू? मेरे 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 सेट के लिए रुक जा. नो. If I see how respectable they are to people around, how they handle the equipment, their behavior in between sets, it is what makes me understand what the person is, who the person is, and what will this person actually be consistent with their body and mind.
Wow, that is a very interesting answer. My mind
Yes.
did not go there. So, what is your biggest ache in between the sets? If a person leaves the weights ऐसे ही छोड़ दिए
बिगेस्ट
उसने करके रख दिए.
one, please don't throw the weights. No matter what. आपका एक सेट हो गया ना, इफ यू कैन हैंडल द वेट विच यू हैव इन योर हैंड, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग देयर? एक बार सेट होने के बाद धाम छोड़ देंगे ऐसे ही. इट जस्ट शोज द पर्सन हु दे आर, है ना. नो मैटर हाउ टफ योर लाइफ इज, हाउ डू यू हैंडल इट विद केयर, हाउ डू यू हैंडल इट विद द राइट एटीट्यूड
Yeah.
इज व्हाट शोज यू. एकदम टफ सेट किया तो क्या हो गया, योर एटीट्यूड इज रॉन्ग.
Yeah.
So that shows the person how they actually are.
Fair point. Fair point.
I hope after this everyone will respect the equipments around the gym.
Absolutely. मेरे को actually मेरे बड़े भाई ने मेरे को शुरू करवाया ऐसे जिम विम जाना. He gave me a pep talk and he was like that, you know, you must do this, and he's been doing it since he was in 10th class. Okay, so he तो has a very different mindset. And he taught me, because जब मैं शुरू में गई थी मुझे नहीं पता था. So if I have done my set, I would keep the dumbbells वहीं पे नीचे आराम से, but I would keep and then I would move on. And he'd be like, dude, come back, उठा रख उसे वहाँ पे जहाँ से उठाया वहाँ से रख.
Correct.
And you know, then I realized that maybe there is a gym etiquette also.
Correct.
So you know, if you have to give me like 3 quick rules of gym etiquette,
All right.
or 3 quick pointers to keep in mind.
Okay. Firstly is please use a deodorant. All right. You're in a place where other people are walking around, and now you're not at your home. Okay. So no matter sometimes you don't know how your body smell is.
Yes.
No one knows, but the people around you definitely know.
Yeah.
So that's being respectable
Yes.
to the people around you and yourself.
Yes.
So use a deodorant.
Loud and clear.
Second would be please use a hand towel. Wipe it.
Yeah.
Use it when you're doing a set. No one wants to lie down on a machine with your sweat on it.
Yeah.
They don't love you so much.
Yes.
Even if they know you, even don't know you, no one will ever do that.
Yeah. Even if I love someone, then also.
I would never do that.
Yeah.
All right. Third will be, of course, the dumbbell. Make sure you re-rack. Make sure you use it gently, softly, no matter how hard you are, no matter how tough you are, how strong you are. If you actually want to know how good as a person you are, handle a dumbbell with care.
Yes. Dumbbells also have feelings,
Yes.
guys. Right. Makes sense. Okay. So, you know, a lot of people, they still don't know, they're very unclear कि sets के बीच में कितना पानी पीना चाहिए. या फिर जब आप running कर रहे होते हो, because, you know, like, and we'll get to, you know, this, we'll talk about running at length. But in general, in gym, like, how much water is okay to drink in between sets?
For them to, if you want to know it easily कितना आपको पानी पीना चाहिए, you just need to sip it, not gulp it.
Okay.
All right, firstly. Second, also you need to just stay hydrated and not flood your stomach. All right, don't do that. If you're feeling heavy after drinking water, that means you're over drinking it. All right, आपको ये सब sign समझ जाएगा जितना आपको पानी पीना है. So small sips in between reps, between sets, it's completely okay.
But not like proper gulping it
पूरा
down,
एक ग्लास
bottoms
लेके ऐसा
up.
पूरा खत्म मत कर दो. पूरा पानी को अपने अंदर भरो मत, फ्लड मत रखो अंदर. That's a simple way of understanding how much you have to drink water. But drinking water in between sets, it's okay, completely okay.
I think सबसे ज़्यादा लोग जब legs कर रहे होते हैं तब उनको ज़्यादा वो होता है, because
हाँ,
you get
energy
more
बहुत ज़्यादा है.
tired. हाँ.
Sweat बहुत
And
निकल
because
रहा
it's the
है.
biggest muscle, right? So वो
Correct.
सबसे ज़्यादा तुम तब थकते हो when you're doing legs.
Yes, correct.
Right. Very interesting.
And same with running also, I think so. But I hate running.
Yeah.
I don't love running. If
Why?
you love running, it's good. I have tried marathons. I have done 2 marathons wholly in my life. It is just something, कुछ कुछ होता है, ये तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है यार. It is something for me. Maybe I'm the first person in fitness who don't like running. Many are there. There are some I know, but I hate to run. I'm not against running. I love people who run. I love that's the best for your fitness, for your heart health. But I just hope you just don't run. You do strength training also. So yes, running के बीच में भी it's completely okay to have some sips of water, electrolytes. अभी तो liquid IV जो भी आया है.
हाँ, right. Makes sense. Very interesting. Okay. These days I see a lot of people, and there's this trend also on Instagram that's going around where they're saying that biceps are the new abs. That
Biceps
at
are the
one
new
time,
abs.
at one time, सारे लोग were obsessed with a 6-pack ab or a
Yes.
4-pack ab or just abs in general, right? And now suddenly, especially men, they're more interested in like working out on their chest and their biceps and their arms. And the result is that in all of this,
Yes.
what they're neglecting is legs.
Legs.
So I see a lot of guys who are buffed up
Huh.
and who have big muscles and chicken legs.
True.
So what do you want to say to those people?
Unless you have a knee injury which will break your leg, unless you have a very bad back pain, I don't know any other reason why anyone would skip legs.
है ना?
Please never do that. I would say one thing, why I think so you're right about arms and chest, because it's a vanity muscle. It's one thing that is being seen first on a man when they
Yeah.
walk in. All right, तो वो they love to show that more. All right, chest also it सबसे पहले वो दिखता है when the man walks in, है ना,
Yeah.
arms and chest. Somewhere social media, maybe I don't know if it's right to say, women also when they look at a man and they see good arms flexing and chest, they comment and say, oh my god, hot, sexy, fire emojis everywhere. Other men look at their comment, right?
Yeah.
They say, okay, I think so women love this, so I should build more of this. Okay. But I don't know if you're talking about women also, yes, see, like when it comes to scientifically termed, women will always have bigger hips and bigger legs compared to men. Men will have less, but it's all about how you build it.
Yeah.
So if it comes to women, it's about hips and legs, and when it comes to men, it's about chest and biceps. Sometimes abs, because abs कोई खोल के साथ चलता नहीं है,
हाँ.
है ना, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. तो वो दिख रहा है, तो लोगों को वो बनाना है. प्लीज़ डू दैट, इट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके. बट उसमें जो मेन फाउंडेशन है, जो आपको खड़ा रख रहा है अभी, है ना, जो आपका बैक को स्ट्रॉन्ग रख रहा है, जो आपके हिप्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग रख रहा है, जो आपको स्टेबल, जो आपको, आप ओल्ड होने वाले हो, आपको अगर ओल्ड होते होते यंग रहना है, तो प्लीज़ लेग्स को ट्रेन करो. और यू विल नेवर लुक गुड wearing that short pants with no legs at all but chiseled arms and chest.
Yeah.
It is not
Yeah.
good looking, I think so.
Yes. No, I agree, because if you're actually going for aesthetics and vanity, then
Correct.
you're doing it wrong.
Yes.
Then it's
True.
not helping your
If you
case.
want to actually show how man you are, how good testosterone you have, make sure you build those legs and show off those legs.
Yes, absolutely. So all those people who are running away from doing legs at the gym, I think this is your sign to start doing them.
Yes.
Are there any exercises which people can do when they hate doing it?
They want to do an exercise, any exercise which they hate doing it. As
For
in-
example, for legs, if somebody hates
Hates
doing
legs,
legs,
okay.
yes, but these 2-3 things also if you do,
ठीक है,
then you're
perfect.
good to
Good
go.
question. You will always have a leg press machine in a gym.
Yeah.
Okay, it's easy. You just have to lie down in that workout. Okay, please lie down and push the weight away from you. You can push as much as weight you can, 80 kgs, 100 kgs, you can show off also, है ना. तो लोग heavy उठा सकते हैं उसमें. Please do that. Is the most simplest leg exercise to do. If you have that gym which have leg presses, use that more. Second come is leg extension. उसमें भी बैठ के करना है.
हाँ.
मैं सब बता रहा हूँ जो आपको रेस्ट करना है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, आपको बैठ के बस वेट को ऊपर पुश करके नीचे लाना है एक सपोर्ट के साथ. दैट इज सेकेंड. एंड थर्ड विल बी जिसमें आपको सो के करना है. दैट इज द लेग कर्ल्स. इट कॉल लेइंग लेग कर्ल्स विद अ मशीन विच बिल्ड्स योर हैमस्ट्रिंग्स एंड ग्लूट्स.
Yeah.
मैन, ये 3 एक्सरसाइज करो, कंसिस्टेंटली करो. आपको अगर स्क्वाट्स नहीं करना है, हैवी बारबल नहीं उठाना है, लंजेस नहीं करना है, बल्गेरियन नहीं करना है, ये सब नहीं करना है, इट्स ओके. ये 3 एक्सरसाइज करो. इफ यू हेट डूइंग लेग्स, यू विल स्टिल हैव दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड गुड लुकिंग लेग्स.
Wow, love this. Bulgarian से मेरे को इतनी traumatic memories याद आ चुकी है. I think the worst thing, worst exercise in the gym for me is Bulgarian.
But I'll tell you, I don't know if you want to hear, if you want to build good legs, good glutes, aesthetic looking glutes, also with strong back, Bulgarian is the best workout. Nothing can overpower it.
I know. मतलब बहुत effective है, but oh my god, मेरी
Yes.
जान निकल जाती है वो
That's
करने में.
correct.
God, yes. What's your worst, like, which exercise do you hate?
Bulgarian.
Yeah.
I hate. So I always have this love-hate relationship with Bulgarian because it takes the soul out of you. It takes सब कुछ बाहर निकल जाता है और एक पैर खत्म होने के बाद आपको लगता है अरे मेरे पास दूसरा पैर भी है.
Exactly.
तो वो भी करना है.
And the worst is that when you then try to walk out of the gym,
Yes.
you cannot move. It's almost like you'll fall.
हाँ.
So yeah, मतलब मैं तो ये suggest करूँगी कि जब भी Bulgarian करना हो जिम में, take a buddy with you who can drop you home, because there is no guarantee कि आप अपनी कार तक safely चल के जा पाओ.
Right.
बट पता है मैं आजकल बहुत सारे लोगों को देखती हूँ और ये बहुत सारे लोगों की प्रॉब्लम भी है. दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई रेड ऑन रेडिट. इट्स इट्स अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर पीपल हैव वेरी अनफिल्टर्ड कॉन्वर्सेशंस. सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कंप्लेन अबाउट हाउ दे आर लीन इन जनरल,
Yes.
but they have a little tummy, they have a little paunch, and they don't know how to get rid of that. More than that, they don't know how it's accumulated, because overall when you look at them,
They're
lean, everything is going for them, they're not fat.
Correct.
But somehow they have a belly.
Yes. This is mostly with men. Mostly with men
Okay.
only. I had made a video on this also, which was shared a lot, but
Yeah.
very less men commented on it. It went highly viral, but many don't want to engage with it
दुखती रथ पे हाथ रख दिया.
हाँ. देखो men how they're designed, they want to work hard, they want to earn money, और अगर पैसा आ गया ना घर में तो तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो अपने बॉडी के साथ, कोई कुछ नहीं बोल सकता है. बट बैठे बैठे हेल्थ पे अगर ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो, आप कितना भी लीन दिखो, कुछ भी दिखो, और ये पेट बाहर है मतलब आपके पास विसरल फैट है. Visceral fat is something many men are ignoring at this point. No matter how lean you look, please go and have a check if you have visceral fat, which is unhealthy for you. All right. That means, again, it boils down to the same thing. You're sleeping less, you're taking more stress, you're not strength training enough, you're not staying active throughout the day, you're not adding more steps, you're eating or treating protein. ये सब आपका मैंने लिस्ट बताया, ये these are the perfect list. अगर इसको आप टिक कर सकते हो ना हर एक चीज़, you will not have that belly fat popping out, you will not have that visceral fat coming out.
Wow.
So please start focusing on this. I'm very concerned for men out there who are I walk around, I see men are happy, smiling, but they have this coming out, and no one at their home is telling them. That's the thing. I've seen their wife, their husband, their mom, dad, no one is talking about घर में आ रहा है ना, सब कुछ चल रहा है बराबर, क्यों बोलना है इसको? He is good. कोई बता ही नहीं रहा है कि it is not healthy for them.
एंड बहुत बार आई थिंक यू नो वो एक झिझक भी होती है, बिकॉज आई थिंक कि people can be the most touchy when somebody
खाता
comments
पीता
on
घर
their
का हूँ.
looks. हाँ खाते पीते घर का भी, but for example face also. And a lot of women go through this. I can tell you from my own experience कि you know, if I have a bad bout going on for me,
Bout?
if bout in the
Sorry.
sense कि मेरा एक लंबा ड्यूरेशन चल रहा है जहाँ पे मेरा स्किन की हालत खराब चल रही है. Okay, I have breakouts and all is happening. And if somebody comes and points it out, then I'll feel very, you know, मतलब उस मोमेंट में आप एकदम बहुत embarrassed फील करते हो. दिस इज अ कॉन्वर्सेशन यू डोंट वांट टू हैव. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव कि अगर एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो एक इंसान को दिख सकती है तो उसको स्पेशली पॉइंट आउट मत
नहीं
करो
करना है.
क्योंकि उनको दिख रही है वो.
और एक चीज़ है, अगर आपको मालूम है ये चीज़ इंस्टेंटली रेक्टिफाई नहीं हो सकता है,
एग्जैक्टली
प्लीज पॉइंट
तो भी
आउट
मत करो. मतलब किसी के दांत पे कुछ अटका हुआ है तो बिल्कुल उनको बोलो क्योंकि वो हटा सकते हैं. ठीक है, बट उनको ऐसी चीज़ों का वो मत करो कि अरे ये चीज़ ठीक कर जो इंस्टेंटली
Because
अभी
उनको
नहीं
मालूम
ठीक
है.
कर सकते. हाँ, तो लड़कियों के साथ ये चीज़ बहुत होती है कि दे आर अ लिटिल सेंसिटिव व्हेन इट कम्स टू समबडी पॉइंटिंग आउट देयर फ्लॉज अबाउट लुक्स. आई फील कि मे बी इट्स द सेम विद मेन, दैट दे आर ऑल्सो माइट बी यू नो अ लिटिल सेंसिटिव टू रिसीविंग दैट
राइट
इंफॉर्मेशन.
इसी बात में बोल सकता हूँ मैं, बट व्हेन मेन को ना उनसे ही सुनना पसंद है जिन्हें वो पसंद करते हैं.
हाँ,
चाहे वो पसंदीदा औरत हो या पसंदीदा मर्द हो, है ना. अगर वो ही आपको कुछ बोलेंगे तो ही हम सुनेंगे. नहीं तो अगर कोई आके कुछ बोलेगा ना, वील इग्नोर, सेकेंडली थोड़ा हर्ट होएगा बट वील नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट, बट वील ऑल्सो नॉट वर्क ऑन इट. बट समवन एक्चुअली क्लोज टू यू, एक्चुअली डियर टू यू, विल कम एंड शो कंसर्न एंड एक्चुअली पॉइंट आउट दिस थिंग. अगर आप कर सकते हो प्लीज़ करो उनके लिए. It will help them transform, because I'm talking about my own friend, my own best friend. He was at this most unhealthy phase, most unhealthy. If you will ask me later, you can share that photo with them. If you look at him, he used to drink 2 Pepsi इतना बड़ा a day. He used to eat 10 Kit Kats a day. He used to, अगर दिन end नहीं होगा 3 आइसक्रीम खाने तलक. That's how he used to live life, है ना. और he was happy, पेट बड़ा, he's moving around. One day, one night, we were sitting in a dinner, or we were all together. I strictly looked at him and told, अगर आपको ये करते रहना प्लीज़ करते रहे. यू विल नॉट बी डूइंग दिस फॉर मोर देन 10 years नाउ. maybe you'll not be in front of us. Very hard thing to talk. I told him very seriously at this point, अब जो lifestyle lead कर रहे हो, maybe after 10 years we'll not be sitting and having this dinner. Maybe you're there or not there in front of us.
Yeah.
What you're doing right now with you. Somewhere it struck him. बुरा लगा होगा for 5 minutes, but it was someone dear to him who told him. So he got back, he put, now if you look at him, I'm telling you, उसको एयरपोर्ट में पासपोर्ट दिखाया था उसने, उसको अनाउ नहीं किया था अंदर आने,
क्योंकि वो कहते हैं सेम नहीं लग रहे.
सेम नहीं लग रहा है. दैट्स हाउ ही हैड ट्रांसफॉर्म. सो इट हेल्प्स. बट मर्द ना ऐसा होता है, उनको ना सुनना है कि उस स्पेसिफिक इंसान से ही कि हाँ यार अगर इसने बोला तो कुछ तो रहेगा, कुछ तो मुझे चेंज करना है आज. ऐसा
क्यूट होते हैं लड़के वैसे.
हाँ, सिंपल रहते हैं थोड़े बहुत.
अनोइंग होते हैं बट क्यूट होते हैं. आई मस्ट से दैट. ओके. सो यू नो हम बहुत ज़्यादा समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि क्या करना चाहिए, कि जिम में क्या करना चाहिए, डाइट के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, लाइफस्टाइल हैबिट्स के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, स्लीप के लिए क्या करना चाहिए. बट all of that is okay, but it only starts making sense when we also understand and pay attention to how should we track our progress. So if I have to ask you, you know, how would you guide the young people watching this who have started on this journey, that yes, you've started, but this is how you pause every now and then, and this is how you track your progress.
Correct.
Because without that, it's just, you know, all your efforts are going into some black hole where you don't know what's happening.
Firstly, I'll say just one thing which you should never track is that weighing scale.
Weighing scale?
No. Please keep that away from your home. Use it only when you travel somewhere for your luggage to be weighed. That's all. That will never tell you what your progress is like. एक इनिशियल मोटिवेशन देगा आपको, वो वेट कम हो रहा है, उसके बाद जब वो स्केल हिलेगा ही नहीं ना, आपको लगेगा प्रोग्रेस ही नहीं हो रहा है. बट आई वांट टू टेल यू व्हाट दे शुड चेक. फर्स्ट, आपका एनर्जी लेवल्स थ्रू द डे इम्प्रूव हुआ है, आपका स्लीप इम्प्रूव हुआ है, आर योर क्लोथ्स ग्रेजुअली इन फ्यू मंथ्स एंड maybe 6 to 8 months is it fitting better? क्या आप आपके लाइफ में डिसीजंस बेटर ले रहे हो टू ईट द राइट फूड? आपका लाइफस्टाइल क्या बेटर हुआ है? लास्ट वुड बी, आई वुड से दिस एक्चुअली हेल्प्स, क्या आपका एक्चुअली सर्कल बेटर हुआ है? आर यू चूजिंग द राइट पीपल अराउंड यू? ग्रेजुअली बोलो स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग, वर्कआउट्स क्या रिवील करता है? द मोर डिसिप्लिन्ड यू बी, द मोर अलोन यू कैन बी. Because somewhere down the line, who were there with you when you were not that healthy, you were in an unhealthy phase, those people will somewhere go away from you. Because you started to choose a path which is actually good for you.
Yeah.
You are being selfish. So that means जो आपके साथ में जो है वो या तो आपके साथ है, आपके साथ हेल्दी हो रहे हैं, या तो आपको छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. And it's okay. So अगर आपका सर्कल चेंज हो रहा है, आप तरक्की कर रहे हो.
आई थिंक कभी कभी ये पर्सपेक्टिव सुनना भी कितना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. सो यू नो, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग दैट साइड ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो, बिकॉज आई डू बिलीव कि जितने मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे जब मैंने अपनी फिटनेस जर्नी स्टार्ट करी, दिस वॉज राइट आफ्टर आई हैड जस्ट कट अ लॉट ऑफ टॉक्सिक पीपल आउट ऑफ माई लाइफ विद टॉक्सिक हैबिट्स. एंड जब यंग होते हैं तो हर किसी में यू नो वो वाला फेज आता है, यू वांट टू ट्राई एवरीथिंग आउट, व्हेन यू वांट टू गो आउट एंड हैव फन एंड पार्टी. But growing up, you do realize that, okay, this is not good for me anymore. So I think all of it elevates when you realize कि ठीक है, healthy habits but also healthy circle and hence a healthy mind space.
It's all about the people who you're surrounded with. मैंने आपको बोला when I started this podcast, सबसे पहले मैंने बोला था what struck me. The people around me, they inspired me somehow to take the step. Okay, my wife told me to choose this path because I transformed her first. If I didn't have the right voice around me, I would not be where I am right now.
Absolutely.
So who you are surrounded with, are they motivating or are they pushing you or are they just pulling you down? Please try to understand that. You know, if you know you're overweight and you're not changing, look at the circle around you. Who are the people? Are they the ones who are consistently working out and doing strength training? If yes, maybe you're not. Maybe that is the reason. Like अगर वो आपके साथ में जो है वो अगर कुछ नहीं कर रहे, maybe आप भी कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो. So somewhere try to change that or change the people around you.
Absolutely spot on. And you know, we've thoroughly enjoyed sitting with you and talking to you about everything under the sun. And now it's time for a quick rapid fire. It's called Protein Mythbusters, powered by Beast Life.
All protein?
All protein. Okay. You have to tell me if this is a myth or if this is true.
That's all.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to name it out. Protein makes you bulky.
No, overeating makes you bulky.
I get enough protein from normal Indian food.
Yes, you can get, but if you choose the right foods, it's not a myth.
Okay. Protein powders cause kidney damage.
No. If you already have kidney issues, then yes, please have a check and have it, but it doesn't. Kitna bhi khao yaar.
Okay, so myth.
Myth.
Protein is only for gym bros.
Myth.
Vegetarian diets can't provide enough protein.
Myth.
Too much protein is equal to liver issues.
Too much alcohol is equal to liver issues. So myth, yes. Not protein.
Whey is the only good protein.
Whey. Myth, because whey is, again, whey. I would like to end this with whey. What you're having, if a supplement, it is convenient, not compulsory.
Right.
So yes.
Okay. And, before we end this podcast with you, this is something that I ask every guest who comes on. And I ask them that if there's one piece of advice that has worked out for them in their life, which they hold really close to their heart, and they'd like to pass on to all the young people watching, what would that be?
Firstly, be kind to yourself, but be ruthless with yourself. I mean, be so dedicated in your craft, in your work. At the same time, learn to understand how to be kind to yourself sometimes. Whatever action you want to take, make sure whatever steps you want to achieve in life, take the decision and instantly take action towards it. If action is not taken, nothing is achievable in life.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Puneet. It was a blast sitting here and talking to you. There
Thank
was
you.
information overload, but you always have the option of going back, rewinding, stopping,
Yes.
applying it in your life, and then coming back.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.